Who would have knew that we're gonna get more snow? Look at this, white fluffy stuff. That's right. I had to run out to come check it. Pittsburgh's area is gonna get about between a foot of snow, 8 to 12 inches. We're gonna get between 5 to 7 inches here. It is wild. This is the second big snowstorm of the year. Oh, look at this. There goes the snowplow. Doing his due diligence. Ah, I love it. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. Hi, folks. This is Rocky Red Panda, and this is PND Studios. It is cool. It is awesome. It is snowing. Oh, I absolutely love it out here. I could spend some time out here. So, I love the snow. Snow's great. Looks like I got dandruff. Yeah, but there's going to be a short video. It's not going to be much happening. I might make another one tomorrow with the prediction of the snow and stuff like that. But hey, I want to show you guys the snow. Look at this. Snow. Oh my. Snow. That's right. So if you do have to go out, kind of be careful out there, guys. It's a winter wonderland out here. I absolutely love it. I'm going to enjoy it. But yeah, so enjoy this wonderful snow, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another awesome snow video. Until then, peace.